Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be making a centerpiece for a table, a glam vase. And so let me show you, let's just jump right into the video, guys, so I can show you exactly what we're using. So this is one of the taller of the 2-cylinder vases they have at the Dollar Tree, okay? And then I decided to use one of their martini glasses as a stand. Okay, you can also get that at the Dollar Tree. Now, I want to introduce to you BeeBeeCrafts. I'll be using some of their gemstone mesh. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? So, BeeBeeCrafts has a website. And they also have a YouTube program, guys. So, you only need 100 subscribers. And I'm going to link all the information below. So, you go through the process of filling that stuff out. Take a look at all of their glam stuff. And all of the stuff that they have. Not just glam. In their website, guys. They have a large variety of things. I'll be linking that program down below also. And like I said, all you need is 100 subscribers. So I ordered 3 items, and this was one of my 3. So I got one of these gems. I call it a gemstone wrap, guys, but it's a wrap I've never used. Absolutely gorgeous. Then I also ordered this bling chain. Look at that chain. Okay, so this one is with the gold background, and then I got one with the silver. So we're going to be embellishing this vase today with this. Okay, I cut some of the mesh wrap, since they come in colors. I cut that in strips because we're going to be decorating the vase. So everything I'm using to create this craft, guys, is down in the description box below. Yeah, let's get started. Let's jump right into the video. So we're going to decorate the bottom part of this. And the reason why I got this idea is because for the longest time our Dollar Tree ran out of the regular candlestick. We're going to decorate the bottom with the strips. So like I said, I cut these in strips. Okay, and so what we'll be doing is we'll be lining the bottom of the martini glass with those gemstones. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? We'll just be doing that a little bit around, also with some of the rose mesh, and we'll kind of like go from there. So let's do that first. The glue gun, the glue sticks or what, but anyway, this is what we have so far, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So this now becomes the pedestal for that vase. So this is done, so we're going to put that aside, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to embellish, guys. And I just have a whole bunch of gems because I didn't know what I was going to need. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay this vase down, and then we're going to start decorating this vase. So instead of the scissors, guys, I got these 2 blocks, just in case you were wondering, and this works so much better. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. So now we're going to take a row. These are my 2 favorite colors, guys, the purple and that teal. Almost reminds me of the peacock colors. So we're going to line the top of that vase with that wrap. Okay? Okay, guys, and I am going to put my silicone finger on. This is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? So now what we're going to do is I have some strips here, and I want them to be in different sizes. So let me see what we have here. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to place some of these strips, guys, on the vase. Okay, different sizes. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. Okay, and they're not all going to be the same size. So these happen to be the pink ones. And then I have some smaller ones. I don't know, it seems like they're mostly pink. This one's yellow. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to glue, before we put these dangling chain on there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue the vase onto the stand, like this. So guys, that is going to need time to dry. Okay. Okay, so very carefully, I'm going to start gluing on the diamonds from the chain. to dangle right off of that vase like that. Guys, I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now I can't lift it up. I'll try to lift it this way. You can take a look at it, guys. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Very beautiful. I think I'm going to do one more thing and then we're done with it. Let me just get all these things out of the way. A color pearl on top of each one of these rows, and then we're done. Alright guys, this is what that looks like. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this is down in the description box below. I highly recommend BeeBeeCrafts, guys. Go over to their website and see if there's anything there that you like. I'm pretty sure you'll find something. And also check into the YouTube program. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Share the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.